Although there is a changing of guard every hour in the day on the Syntagma Square in front of the Hellenic Parliament and the Presidential Mansion. But if your layover happens to be on Sunday morning, you are in for a treat. Every Sunday at 11 a.m., there's a full changing of guard ceremony with official customs. The Greek Guard, or the Evzones, are a member of Presidential Guard found outside the Hellenic Parliament who guard the monument of the unknown soldier. They have become synonymous with the city of Athens and were originally founded in 1868 as a regiment of the Greek army. The duty of the soldiers are in part a ceremonial nature. Every soldier guards about an hour 3 times in total every 48 hours. Throughout the 60 minutes, they have to stand perfectly still until it's time to switch with another guard. The uniform worn by Evzones are very special as each one is entirely made by hand. The design is based on the traditional uniform worn during the War of Independence. The formal ceremonial uniform worn by the guard is white. This uniform is worn on Sundays, bank holidays, and when there's a visiting dignitaries.